Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Welcome back to Lipstick and Thighs. Nora Harris here. I'm going to do a few videos at once. So if you see the same outfit or the same look, that's why. But I hope that you all are celebrating the reason for the season, Jesus. And I hope that you are enjoying your holidays with your families. I know that this can be a rough time of the year for people who have experienced death or divorce, separation, some sort of loss, breakups, those kind of things. For people who have dysfunctional or not the best relationships with their families, friends, all that kind of stuff. People that are just plagued with depression and loneliness. I just want you to know that there's solidarity here. People are thinking of you and that things will get better. So I'm going to do a brow video first, and then I'll drop the rest of my look later. So everyone always asks me how I do my brows. I am a budget freak, budget slay freak. So I love budget products, drugstore, hair store products. I'm using the Jordana Shape and Tape Retractable Brow Pencil in Deep Brunette 06. I hope to have a better vanity, beauty, well-lit area, ring light for you all in 2020. But I'm going to use what I've got right now. So I'm taking my Professional Kiss New York top brow in dark brown. Looking for my L.A. girl. Taking my L.A. Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Honey. I use the same concealer first on my lids. And then if I decide I'm going to do a crazy look or cut crease and all that goodness, I'll go in with my Ready Set Gorgeous from CoverGirl. But I am going to use my Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. Now I put on a moisturizer from Clean and Clear, the Watermelon Gel Moisturizer. I'm always careful about putting it in this area because if you put it there, you will not be able to get your brow product to lay. It will not. I have learned from experience. Take my Real Technique brush. It's been through the fire and the rain, but it's my favorite concealer brush. It's actually supposed to be used for something else, but I take the brushes and do what I want. It's a pointed foundation brush. And then you blend. Blend. I got it in my lash. I conceal my under eye too, so my under eye makeup stays better. So here are my brows. I will come back to you all after I get my face completely done and show you a better picture of them. But here they are. Pretty easy, pretty inexpensive products to use, pretty quick, under 10 minutes. If you'd like to see me do another tutorial or anything like this, isolated pieces, so just shadow or just lining, let me know. But drugstore slay works. You really just follow your natural arch. And I like them to look like present, but not overdrawn, not overdone. Some people would do theirs a little bit lighter. My hair is 1B, it's black. So I do dark, but I don't use black. I use dark brown. I may even try doing them lighter here and there. I am melanated, so I'm concerned about how like a lighter brown would look. These work pretty good. Let me know how you like my brows. Let me know if this tutorial was helpful. As always, I'd like to welcome you to my Santa pack, my lipstick gang holiday edition. If you would like to join the lipstick sleigh, come on, get on board. Go ahead and subscribe, like, click that bell notification so you can get updates as soon as I release new hot content. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, thanks for watching, and come back. Bye.